Hello viewers, today I want to show you how to accurately check your oil level of your generator. First of all, you have to make sure that the engine is on a level surface. That is, the engine should be balanced before opening the oil filler cap. Then you now open the oil filler cap. You unscrew the oil filler cap. You want to check the oil level. With a clean rag, you clean the oil from the stick of the oil filler cap. So you will see two lines here, one at this point and the other at this point. The one at this point is the one for low point, that is the low position. Then here is the high position. If the oil level is at this point, that means that it's low, so you have to top it so that it can come up. Then if it at this point, that means that the oil is 100% full. This mark that you see here, 100% full, it is gauged, then you use it like that. Please always top it when you see that the oil is at the low position. Now let me gauge it now to see. Remember, first of all, clean it with a clean rag, then you put it back. Please, when putting it, do not screw it. Just place it at the mouth, then you bring it out. Very good. You can see the oil at this point. Can you see it? See the oil at this point. So the oil level is okay. You can run your engine like this. Then you tighten it back, you fix it back, then you screw it. Even without the dipstick, you will see the oil at this point. When you see the oil at this point, that means that there is oil. The oil level is good. And if you should remove it and you see oil pouring out, the one pouring out is excess oil. That means that the oil that you put inside has become too much. So you have to allow it to pour out and leave it at the maximum gauge. Then you put it back. Please, when putting it back, do not use force to screw it back. Make sure that the oil filler cap follow the thread. Very fine. So please always make sure that you check your generator oil level regularly before running the gen. Always do this for your generator to function maximally and to give you a very good sound, because if your generator is always shorting oil, it will affect the sound of your gen. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video to others who are also using generator. Thanks for watching.